everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. Happy New Year's to everybody. This is actually New Year's Eve, so I hope everybody is safe tonight. Have fun, but be safe. So, guys, as soon as I put out the last BoxyCharm base box spoilers, I just got that thing out like about an hour ago. Of course, they had to show another spoiler, so you know I'm back again. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, hit your subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. That way you don't miss none of these spoilers because they are starting to pour out like water. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which again is the BoxyCharm January base box spoilers. Congratulations, Unique J. Unique J says, hi. Well, hi, Unique J, honey. How are you doing, darling? I appreciate you having your bell on. It just shows your support, honey. I thank you so much. Love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so again, I put out some spoilers for the base box for BoxyCharm January. I just put them out like an hour ago. And of course, they had to do this to me where they showed a new spoiler. So that's what I'm going to give y'all. So I'm going to show you what we got so far, and then I'll show you the new one. So the first 3 things are variant items. Now they were in the choice items, so if you didn't choose, well, you're just going to be surprised. So the first thing is the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. You'll either get that or the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette. Now, if you don't get either one of those 2 palettes, you will be getting the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. Now, the next thing up, another variation, you'll either get the Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. Now, there's going to be 3 different shades, so the shades do vary on this. Or you're going to get the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer. Again, shades are going to vary. Those are going to be matched to you. Now, the last thing, but certainly not least, guys, is the newly revealed palette. Now, let me show you what it is, guys. It is the Wander Beauty Trip for 2. It is a blush and bronzer duo. Now, it looks like there are 2 different shade variations in these palettes. It looks like one is light and one is dark. But these, again, were just revealed today. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I'd take either one of them. Don't matter. Now, I don't know exactly if this is a variant item or if everybody's going to be receiving this. But as soon as I find out, I'll keep you guys updated. Now, again, put your bell on, guys, because I got another video going out right after this with something else I found. So make sure you got that bell on. And again, I got to keep y'all in the loop. So as soon as they show anything else, I'm going to keep y'all updated. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Candace Phillip. Candace says, darn it, still didn't make it in time to be first. Anywho, thank you for the spoiler. And Happy New Year, Mandy. Well, thank you so much, Candace. Happy New Year to you too, babe. And you know what? You ain't even got to be first all the time, honey, because you know what? I pick comments all the time, and yours happens to be the one I picked. And I really appreciate it, honey. Thank you so much. It just warms my heart knowing how much y'all just support my channel. It just means the world to me. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And, guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that and make sure you're still subscribing if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set to on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.